Welcome to Entrepedia. We're at the main page, and I'm logged in as Demo User. Entrepedia has three main categories: HIPAA and HR regulations, policies, and procedures, as well as recommended IT tools, solutions, and practices. HIPAA regulations has details for the 4 HIPAA rules: privacy, security, breach notification, and enforcement. There are HIPAA documentation requirements, HR policies and procedures to address HIPAA requirements, and recommended IT solutions to help address HIPAA requirements. Let's look at HR regulations. HR policies are shaped based on federal laws, state laws, OSHA, and HIPAA regulations. We have key HR categories, HIPAA implications on HR policies and procedures, and HR policies and procedures to address HIPAA requirements. Let's take a look at hiring and onboarding. Here we have all the HIPAA requirements and key activities for hiring new employees. We've also got HR checklists. Let's look at the HR record retention checklist. Here we have regulations based on the U.S. federal government, as well as state regulations for checklists. We provide Connecticut and Massachusetts right now. We cover the HR mandatory reporting checklist as well. Let's look at recommended IT tools, solutions, and practices. We provide a complete set of IT tools and services in order to enable you to achieve and maintain full HIPAA compliance. For example, we allow patients and other doctors to upload medical records to you electronically. Here we see a screenshot of the form to upload files as well as notes for a patient. Let's see this in action at officeflow.com/upload. Here is our upload form. I'll fill it out. Now, we have to either choose a file or add notes, or both. So I'll choose a file, John Q. Patient Information, and I'll add some notes for John. Next, I need to prove that I'm not a robot. So I'll click on the reCAPTCHA, and I need to answer a question here. Select all the images with an apartment building. This one, and this one. Looks right. Verify. We're good. I'm not a robot. Now when I click Securely Upload, the file will be uploaded and we'll get a notification. The notes will be uploaded and we'll get a notification. And an email confirming both of those will be sent to the doctor. Both are successful. you'll notice that the file has been renamed with John Q's pertinent information: his name, date of birth, and when the file is uploaded. We're back at the main page now. There's other information on the main page, including the most frequently visited pages and the most frequently visited checklists. As an example, let's look at patient rights. Here, we see the rights that patients are provided in the HIPAA regulations. We can look at Protected Health Information, or PHI. That's been visited a lot. Here we've got a lot of information for you about PHI. And the most frequently visited checklists are interesting. We've been looking at several, including our HIPAA compliance checklist. We've got checklists for everything. This is Entrepedia at entrepedia.officeflow.com. To summarize, we leverage state-of-the-art approaches and technologies like the same platform as Wikipedia to simplify access to the policies and procedures, as well as to learn how to follow and meet the requirements of the regulations. We offer policies and procedures in a form that's easy to understand and digest, with content organized like a popular online encyclopedia. Instead of long documents, there's a set of short articles, each describing a specific concept or procedure, where each article explicitly links and shows other related articles and content, and where it's easy to find a specific detail in seconds or milliseconds instead of having to look through long documents trying to find a particular paragraph or section. We leverage the same approach for training, much like one of the most effective and popular teaching techniques, that of the renowned Khan Academy, which allows millions of students around the world to develop skills and learn techniques at their own pace, often at a deeper level and in a shorter amount of time with less effort. Offering short video lectures and quizzes allows better reinforcement of the learned concepts along with the reference materials that are ready to use. We offer all this coupled with a tradition level of unlimited remote support on any of the policy and procedure content and recommended practices. Support can be accessed via normal phone and email, as well as through online chat and texting for additional convenience. Yet for those who prefer to work with printed materials, we provide customary hard copies of policy and procedure documentation in binders. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this overview. Please contact us at info@entrespace.com if you'd like to find out more information or if you have any questions. And visit us online at www.officeflow.com.